practice, practice. These are homophones. Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. If you're using American English, then you will only ever need to use practice with a C. However, if you're using British English, then you will need to understand the difference between both, as both are used in British English. Practice with a C is a noun. Practice refers to the procedure or the act of repeatedly doing something. This can be a habit or tradition. It can refer to a profession that requires a lot of training. For example, jobs like being a doctor, a dentist, or a lawyer. Practice also refers to repeated action in order to improve a skill. For example, it's a common practice to tip the waiter. This is an example of a habit or tradition. I applied for the job at the new dental practice. I go to football practice every day. So in this example, it's referring to improving a skill. Practice with an S is a verb. If you practice something, then you're performing the action. This again can be a habit or tradition, training in a profession, or repeatedly doing something in order to improve a skill. For example, she practices her religion. He practiced as a doctor for 9 years. I need to practice my English. Overall, you need to remember practice with a C is a noun. Practice with an S is a verb.